How to apply acrylic, full routine from prep to top coat. Now I know I've done a few prep videos and I know I've done a few design videos, but I wanted to show you the full step-by-step process. So after you've pushed your cuticles back, you're going to want to remove all of the dead skin off the nail plate and you're going to want to trim your cuticles. And then I use one of my other bits on reverse, normally a round bit or a proximal fold bit, to push that cuticle back again a little bit. Then I will etch the nail surface, then I'll apply my tips. Once I've cleansed all that, I'll go in with my primer if my system needs it, and then I'll start by applying my acrylic. This is a glitter ombre nail, so I just wanted a good sized bead at the back of the nail that I could actually blend down, and then I'm going to put some glitter on the tip of the nail. So I apply the glitter there, push it back, and then I try and feather the back a little bit so it's a nice fade. Then I make sure I cap that in clear. Always cap your glitter because you don't want to file it off, and always cap your ombre blends anyway. Again, don't want to ruin any of your hard work. Always try and apply your acrylic like you don't have a file. One of the best bits of advice that I've ever received. So I didn't actually need my e-file on this occasion, but I would have debulked before I went in with my hand file had I needed to. Then I'll do my normal filing routine. Make sure you're using the same filing routine for each nail so all of the nails are uniform. Once you've finished filing, then I'm going to give that a really, really good cleanse. And then we have the top coat moment. I think probably my favourite part, apart from maybe prep. I hope that helps, but if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments.